The Interpolation Calculator, linear and bilinear, helps you find unknown values between two known data points using linear interpolation. Let's walk through the input fields. First, you'll enter your first point x1 and first point y1 values. These represent your first known data point. Next, enter your second point x2 and second point y2 values for your second known data point. Finally, enter your target x value. This is the x-coordinate where you want to find the corresponding y value through interpolation. Once you click Calculate Interpolation, the calculator processes your inputs using the linear interpolation formula. The results section will display your interpolated y value at the target x position. This represents the estimated value that falls proportionally between your two known points. The calculator essentially draws a straight line between your two data points and finds where your target x intersects that line, giving you the corresponding y coordinate. Whether you're analyzing sensor data, estimating values in engineering tables, or working with any dataset where you need intermediate values, this tool streamlines the interpolation process. Find the link in the description below.